Hiro-san!
Hey, good afternoon, everyone.
I'm
here with my best friend again, everybody.
GUGA here.
I'm so happy and excited. He got something very exciting from me. By the way, never had it, Hiro. My very first time. I'm pumped. Well, I shouldn't say that. I had one in Puerto Rico in a very fancy resort, but I think it was very, very old, and it's been there maybe for a year and a half or two. So it wasn't a very good experience, and I know it doesn't taste like that.
I think we start up no more.
So it wasn't good. So I'm excited to try the real deal.
Okay.
Yeah, super pumped. Oh wow. Oh wow, that's crazy. Hiro, is that big?
Big.
Okay.
Look at this. Upside down. There's a mouse here.
GUGA, have you seen this live before?
I gotta say, I've never seen it. I mean, you've seen it in restaurants, but I've never seen it anything like this. It's spiky. I thought it was actually going to rupture my fingers, but it doesn't. It feels nice. I don't know if that's the right description, but it feels nice on the hand, and it's not going to be like needles. That's what I'm trying to describe. Yeah. It's not like needles. You can hold it in your hand, smell like the ocean. Very interesting. I'm excited, Hiro.
Sure.
This is very exciting for me, everybody. When you never had something and you're gonna try for the first time, and you got a pro cooking for you, come on now. Come on now.
First, I'm gonna move this.
Wow!
Oh, it's going down. It's okay.
Wow.
It's not the.
You know, I thought you were gonna be a little bit more gentle, but no, you went right in, man. Wow. No playing around. Well, I think most things one of the things the audience can't tell is the smell. As soon as he opens it up, the smell just brings right onto you.
Right.
Like the ocean, right?
Exactly like the ocean. Like when you're on the beach and those waves hit and you smell that salty water, that's what it smells like. Jeez.
You gonna try this later?
Heck yeah, I'm gonna try it right now. Wow.
Okay, let's look on the inside here before you pour it out. Take a look. All right. Basically, it's kelp, right? That's what it's been eating.
They're eating the kelp.
Okay.
It's like
There you go.
Ready?
Right, yeah. And that's what
Wow.
we're looking for.
Wow. I think one word to describe this is wow. I don't know what other word to describe it.
This one's supposed to be stay like this one.
Yeah, they're supposed to be in this.
That's a good one, you know.
Ah, gotcha. Okay. So the longer they stay, the more fresher it's. That's what it means.
Right.
Yeah, because they were shipped all the way from the West Coast. And probably got dislodged during shipment.
Yeah, they
No.
like bang around.
Right.
Interesting. I did not know that.
Yeah, usually they stay on top of the original wall.
Wow.
Okay.
That is so interesting to me. Wow.
It was ready.
You know what it looks like? It looks like caviar, right? Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like caviar. That's what it looks like. But gold.
Gold caviar.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I'm going to wash it. I'm gonna move it this
Oh, what's
way.
in here? Just regular water? Or you have salt
This
water?
is salt water already. I
Okay.
put a little salt already.
Oh, wow. Take a look at that. As soon as you put in the water, boom.
My question is, who's the one who came up with opening this up in one
Exactly.
The
Who would have
fast one,
thought
right?
about that, right?
Right.
We'll say, like, you know what? This spiky thing, let me open it up and eat it.
Right.
It's going to be delicious.
Take a look at this.
Wow. I'll be honest, just seeing you do that, Hiro, that's something I don't think I can ever do, everybody. That takes a lot of skills. Good job, Hiro.
Thank you.
Wow, it looks beautiful.
Here's what are you making for him today?
I'm gonna make a sushi, Gunkan Sushi.
All right. You ready?
First time having uni, baby. Can you tell I'm excited? Yes. Let's go.
Little trick you can do at home right here.
Yeah, I'm making a little bit more seaweed, more drier.
Dry, a little more crunchier.
Smells smoky. Huh?
Yeah,
What did you do?
I just a little bit dry up.
You missed that scene, GUGA.
You see, he's hiding stuff from me, everybody.
Because
Smells smoky.
the seaweed I have right now is you can tell kind of little way too soft, right?
Oh yeah.
So when
Big
you make
difference.
the gunkan roll,
Uh-huh.
so if this one is softer like this, she would get in soggy very quick. Right, so that's why I'm making it a little bit crunchy.
So what did you do? You just put it on
just
the
put on the
stove?
stove right there.
Oh,
Yeah.
you see, learn something new every day.
I gotta watch the video when it's done.
You
Okay?
better believe it. And make sure you subscribe and hit the like button, everybody. Very important for the algorithm, right here.
Yes, please. Make a big one piece, giant gunkan.
It's like they say, right? Bigger is always better, yeah?
Is that true?
Actually,
I don't know. I've just heard.
sometimes sushi is not always.
No, it's bigger is better.
We say one bite size is better.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, they say anything more than a mouthful is a waste.
That's right.
You've heard of that before?
Quality over quantity.
Oh, okay, there
right?
you go.
Right, Hiro?
Yeah, quality,
That's right.
quality. Okay, today I'm gonna use a spatula.
Big spatula, everybody.
spatula.
Very important. Always bigger is better. Well, we already established that that's not the case. Nice. Oh, wow. Salmon caviar.
Salmon caviar.
Wow. You're going all out over here, Hiro. Thank you. Wow.
Special for good friends.
Damn. It's a little bit more than special. I
Very,
feel
very.
very privileged,
Oh,
everybody.
we're not done yet either.
Oh,
Watch.
really? There's more.
There's more.
Oh,
But
And
wait, there's
But
more. Sounds like a
wait.
commercial.
I know, right?
caviar.
Caviar. Oh, wow. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
The real stuff.
Oh,
Oh.
wow. That smells real good.
Yeah, very, very good.
But wait,
There's more.
there's one more layer, right?
There's
Hiro?
even more?
Yeah, more. One more.
Even more?
One more things.
Oh, wow. Here, what's happening over
Take a
here?
Oh.
look here.
Oh, wow.
Truffle.
Black truffle.
This is a winter truffle, right?
Winter, I don't know. You tell me.
Yeah, I believe it's a winter truffle.
I
Wow.
think so.
Black inside, as you guys will see.
Yeah.
Take a look.
You see, this is the thing, right? You cannot buy this, right?
Yeah.
You cannot buy
can
this
buy
anywhere.
in the restaurant or
No
anywhere.
way.
Only here.
Only with Hiro. Wow, that's incredible.
Nice, beautiful.
I have to give a hand. Wow, Hiro,
That's
that
pretty
looks
much it,
amazing.
right?
Yes,
What do you
that's
mean
it.
that's pretty much it? Are you kidding me? That's a lot.
That is a lot.
Quite impressive, Hiro. Thank you for this opportunity.
Sure. Giant uni gunkan sushi. I'm first time I made this one too.
Good size, right?
I never seen this much a big uni gunkan sushi.
It's beautiful. It's huge.
I could not be more excited. This looks beautiful. Like, I don't want to touch it. You know what I mean? Like, so, sometimes Hiro does some food that you just want to look at it, everybody. But the smell is getting to me. I'm excited. I cannot wait to try it.
You can go half.
That's whatever you say.
Let's do that. Okay.
I mean, if that's not perfect, look at that.
If you want to put a little bit of soy sauce, you can
Put the
do
soy
it.
sauce right on top.
Can do
Okay.
it.
Sounds good. A little bit of soy sauce on the top.
If you want to.
Ooh. I'm
right.
not as professional as Hiro. There you go.
Hi, kanpai.
Okay. Kanpai. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Okay. That's amazing, Hiro. We're a mess, but that's amazing. Wow.
How's it taste? Yeah.
Okay. How do I describe that? Very creamy.
Creamy.
Yeah, super creamy. It's a taste that I never had it
Kind
before.
of seaweed flavor, right?
A little seaweed flavor, a little salty, a little sweet also. So it has like several different flavors combined together that I can't get my head around it. It's delicious. It is delicious. Is this a right statement? It tastes like the ocean.
Ocean.
Like a fresh ocean. I don't know how to describe
That's what
it.
people
but
say all the time.
it's like, how do you describe that? It's like one of my good friends, Nick DiGiovanni, said that this is his favorite food. I understand the reason why. First time having it, and fresh is much different than not fresh. I'll tell you that right now. That's delicious. Absolutely. Can I go in for more?
Sure.
Oh, okay, thank you. Oh yes, Papa.
Now we gotta get this man to try it.
This man right here.
Hey, you weren't supposed to do that.
No.
Oh man.
It can be on a video. Okay. Guys, put on the comments down below right now. We all want to see the man behind the camera, right? 2 million subscribers, he's going to do a review, right?
I don't know. Are we gonna do that?
Come
or
on.
skydiving or bungee jumping for Hiro.
No.
I think it's time. Everybody want to see the
No.
wonderful man behind the
How
camera.
many likes do we need to get? How many likes?
10,000 likes on the video and he's going to make a review.
And
Yes?
how many views? How many views on this video? Gotta get some views too.
150 million, but that's not going to happen. You say, how many? I don't know how many. No, here's the deal.
Okay.
Put it on the comments down below, everybody. If you want to see the cameraman, he's just as nice as Hiro. You guys got to meet him. Highly recommend. And it's time. It's been a long time, right, Hiro?
11 years.
11 years.
Yeah.
But it's your time. We will,
I guess
you
so.
all want to see,
Right?
right? Yes.
Okay. Let's think of something. Okay. Thank you so
Sounds
much,
good.
Guga. Always love being here. You're the man.
Guys, this is amazing. Highly recommend you trying uni if you've never tried it. Creamy, delicious, like the ocean, and obviously made by a master sushi chef. Thank you, Hiro.
Yeah, thank you.
Every time you come to my house, it's always something exciting. Thank you. I appreciate
very
it.
much.
I got the whole team over here. They're going to give it a try, everybody. I'm excited to see what they think.
And they haven't tried it either, right?
Nope.
Nobody?
No,
I've
right?
tried sea urchin in my life, don't know what to expect.
Okay.
This is the description guy, aka Leo.
He's a
But this-
foodie too, right, Leo?
Alright, yes, sir.
This-
All right.
Description guy first, Leo second. So he can describe a lot better what it tastes like than me.
Okay.
Go.
So
Go.
take a little piece here. Here's a little soy sauce. You can dip it in.
Dip it in.
Okay, so never had sea urchin, so I'm not sure what's the best way to eat it. So you're saying a little bit of soy sauce first?
Yeah, dip it in soy sauce.
Okay.
Just the rice
It
part.
looks like
not
there's
good.
a little bit more in here than just sea urchin.
Yeah, there is.
Little caviar, little salmon.
A little caviar, you say it so casually.
Oh yeah, and black truffle,
Jesus.
right?
Alright, here we go.
First time having uni.
Wow, the texture is so strange. But it's good.
I love how you use the word. So strange.
Okay.
You gotta get past the texture first. It's different.
It's very different.
Hold on.
It's-
Get closer to him so he can hear you.
It's very different. I don't know if I'm a fan of the flavor, to be honest. It's almost like a little bit bitter. It's very like creamy and smooth, but also a little bit gooey, kind of like oysters. It's, like I said, very strange.
Very fishy.
Yeah.
Strong fish flavor.
Yeah.
I mean, at least to me.
Yeah.
I also haven't had caviar before, to be honest, so I don't know if that's affecting the flavor that I'm feeling.
Okay.
But, I mean, it's unique. I like it. It's just very different than what I'm used to. I'm a steak guy, so this is definitely out of my realm. This is definitely out of my realm, but overall, I like it.